It is very nice to greet you again. In today's video we will talk about the following. Common health problems in older dogs. I love older dogs. The gray muzzle, the tender gaze, the loving bond that unites them so strongly with us after a rambunctious puppy stage and the active years of maturity. Here's what you might find as your dog ages. 1. Arthritis. This painful, degenerative joint disease affects most dogs at some point in their senior years. Large and giant breeds tend to be at higher risk, but dogs of any size can develop joint pain. Suspect arthritis if your dog seems reluctant to go up or down stairs, no longer wants to jump on or off furniture or get in or out of the car, or seems stiff after standing up. 2. Cancer. It might seem like more dogs are getting cancer, but part of that is because our dogs are living longer. We tend to see an increase in the incidence of cancer in older dogs. The most common cancers in dogs are lymphoma, osteosarcoma, soft tissue cancers, oral melanoma, and mammary cancer. Take your dog to the veterinarian immediately if you notice any of the following warning signs of cancer. Loss of appetite or weight loss. Lumps or bumps that increase in size or sores that don't heal. Bleeding or other discharge from the mouth, nose, or anus, or an unusual body odor. 3. Cognitive dysfunction. Cognitive dysfunction syndrome is a degenerative change in the brain that causes your dog to become anxious, forgetful, or confused. You may notice that your dog is having accidents in the house when they never have before, wandering aimlessly, getting stuck in corners, or sleeping more. They may not greet you at the door when you get home from work as they used to. Although it cannot be cured, it can sometimes be managed with medication, environmental changes, and behavior modification techniques. 4. Dental disease. Does your dog pick up food and then drop it, or has trouble chewing? It's very likely they have painful periodontal disease, a common problem in older dogs. Plaque and tartar can build up considerably over the years, especially if teeth aren't brushed or professionally cleaned regularly. Maintaining healthy teeth and gums is essential for your dog's overall well-being. 5. Failing vision. You may start to notice that your dog is more unsteady when moving, especially in the dark. That's a sign of vision loss. Cataracts, dry eye, and nuclear sclerosis are among the eye conditions that can affect older dogs. Look for signs such as white clouding of the pupil, cataracts, bluish haze in the pupil, nuclear sclerosis, or generalized redness, discharge, and frequent eye infections, signs that could indicate dry eye or a variety of other conditions. 6. Hearing loss. The sense of hearing begins to weaken with age. This is normal. You can't buy hearing aids for your deaf dog just yet, but you can still communicate with him or her. Teach him or her hand signs, tap your foot so he or she feels the vibrations and knows you're nearby, or use the traditional method of approaching him or her to let him or her know it's dinner time. He or she will appreciate it. 7. Heart disease. An older dog's heart is willing, but it doesn't always beat as strongly as it used to. Notice if your dog seems to tire more quickly than usual, even with light exercise. Other signs that are cause for concern include coughing, especially at night, and difficulty breathing. Severe respiratory problems, especially if you notice a bluish appearance to the gums or tongue, require an emergency visit to the veterinarian. 8. Hypothyroidism. As dogs age, their thyroid hormone levels can decline, leading to a condition called hypothyroidism. Signs you may notice include skin and coat problems, unexplained weight gain, loss of energy, and lethargy. 9. Kidney disease. Kidney failure is a common problem in older dogs. Kidney function can be as much as 75% impaired by the time signs become apparent, so it's a good idea to schedule regular geriatric exams, starting early in your dog's senior years. Kidney failure is not reversible, but in many cases, diet, intravenous fluid therapy, and sometimes medication and certain vitamin and fatty acid supplements can help manage the condition and add months or years to your dog's life. Finally, one of the best ways to prevent disease is to keep your dog at a healthy weight throughout its life. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.